Hello to my viewers. My maths presentation today is about exponential equation. This maths is intended to the grade 9 students. So I have here 2 raised to the power of 3x plus 5 minus 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 23. Take note, 23 is a prime number. So when we look at this exponential, it could not be expressed into equation. But I need this one to transpose to the right. So this will be 2 raised to the 3x plus 5 is equal to 23. This will change to positive. So we know that 3 raised to the second power, meaning 3 times 3. Oh, this will be equal to 9. So this will be 9. So 2 raised to the 3x plus 5 power is equals to 23 plus 9 is 32. So we can split this one as 2. So this will be 2 raised to the power of 3x plus 5. So I can write this one in exponential form. 2 raised to the power of 5. Let us check if this is correct. 2 raised to the 5th power, meaning I need to multiply itself 5 times. So this is 4 times 4. This is 16 times 2. So this will be 32. So this is correct. So since they have the same base, so this will be crossed out. So I have now 3x plus 5 equals 5. So this will be 3x. Transpose 5 to the right. 5 minus 5. So 3x equals 0. So x will be equal to 0 over 3 is equal to 0. Now let us check if this is correct. So 2 raised to the 3 times 0 plus 5 minus 3 raised to the second power is equals to 23. So 3 times 0, it will be 0. So this will be 2 raised 0 plus 5 is 5 minus 3 raised to the second power is equals to 23. So what is 2 raised to the 5th power? That is 32. Minus what is 3 squared? That will be 9. Is equals to 23. So 32 minus 9, that will be equal to 23. So therefore, my x value, which is 0, is correct. That's all.